always be expressed in the words. My eyes are little wet seeing the free flying birds. These are the tears of happiness seeing all the birds flying up in the sky. Thanks to the fearless leaders who face it all, making tough times pass by. Let's wish all Pakistan a very happy Independence Day. Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Zaib and today I am going to discuss, are we truly independent? Since 1947 we celebrate Independence Day. So I don't think so anyone of you present here don't know what is Independence Day. British rule over subcontinent, many people lost their lives, many livelihoods, so and so, or Pakistan was free. See, I know it's not easy as I'm saying, but still, why discuss something which is easily available on Google and Wikipedia? Because hello, it's modern era, where we find WhatsApp, Snapchat, Twitter on the phone of each. Oh, it's Independence Day. Let me take a beautiful selfie with the caption of hashtag Independence Day, hashtag celebrating independence, hashtag I'm free, hashtag. Forwarded to my colleagues, WhatsApp status updated, Insta story updated, and Independence Day done. This is what most of people do on Independence Day. But the very next day, since the Independence Day gone, so called nationalism gone. गुलामी में नाकाम आती हैं शमशीरें न तदबीरें, गुलामी में नाकाम आती हैं शमशीरें न तदबीरें, जो होशों के यकीन पैदा तो कर जाती हैं जंजीरें. Today we are celebrating Independence Day, the day which is to be celebrated when one is truly independent. But honestly, I don't think so anyone of you present here is truly independent. We say we are celebrating the 77th year of independence, but still we are bounded with negative thoughts. Still we live with log kya kahenge. Still birth of a girl is accepted, but the boy is celebrated. Still people are like beti bachao, beti padhao, phile jaake kitchen mein bichao. You murder people for sake of flag, and congratulations, you are celebrating the 77th year of independence. This 14 August 2024 is not just Independence Day, but under construction Independence Day. Let this 14 August to be a truly Independence Day.